Hey everyone! As a software developer, debugging is an essential skill that you'll need to master. In this video, we'll cover some tips and tricks to help you find and fix common coding errors. First things first, it's important to understand the different types of errors you might encounter. There are syntax errors, which occur when your code violates the rules of the programming language, and logical errors, which occur when your code doesn't behave the way you intended. So, how do you go about debugging your code? Here are some tips and tricks to help you get started. Use a debugger. Debuggers are tools that allow you to step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and identify where errors are occurring. Most integrated development environments, IDEs, come with a built-in debugger, so make sure to familiarize yourself with how it works. Check your code for syntax errors. Syntax errors can be easy to spot if you know what to look for. Make sure your brackets and parentheses are properly closed, and watch out for missing semicolons or quotation marks. Use print statements. Sometimes the easiest way to debug your code is to print out the values of variables or the flow of control. Add print statements throughout your code to help you identify where errors are occurring. Narrow down the problem. If you're dealing with a logical error, it can be helpful to isolate the part of your code that's causing the issue. Comment out sections of your code until the error goes away, then gradually add back in the code to identify where the problem lies. Get a fresh perspective. Sometimes you can get stuck in a rut when trying to debug your code. Take a break, ask a colleague for help, or consult online forums and resources to get a fresh perspective on the problem. Remember, debugging is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and experiment until you find a solution that works. With practice, you'll become a pro at finding and fixing common coding errors. Thanks for watching.